I will explain about fading in mobile communication. Generally, fading means it is the fluctuation in the received signal. I will explain clearly, or else it is the interference. I will explain clearly here. When the user is initiated a call, in mobile communication, first the signal is received by the nearest cell site. This is the cell site. Assume this is the cell site. So then this MTSO, mobile telephone switching office, will find out where is the receiver and transmitter address. By using number, it will find and connect it to the nearest cell site of the receiver. I am assuming the receiver is here, and the nearest cell site is here. This is the nearest cell site for the receiver. So here the first signal is received by the MTSO, and the MTSO will find out the receiver address and it will connect it to the receiver address. Then from this the signal need to received by the receiver mobile. Here I am assuming, but here just assume that there is a hill, it is an hill area, or else some surroundings there is a buildings are there, more number of buildings are there. So here the buildings are there and here the hills are there. So from the cell site the signals are received like this. The same signal received from here to here and this building to here, or else from it will reflect from the hills or else from the buildings. So here just assume this is the user and received signal. Because of the hills and valleys the signal is reflected, and or else from the buildings the same signal is received by the receiver with different time slots, or else in the same time the more number of signals, same signal is received by the receiver. So because of these signals you may get the signal fluctuations or else interference may get. That is called as fading in mobile communication. Of course we can avoid the fading in mobile communication so with different methods. But what is fading means, because of hills and because of more number of buildings and valleys, you may get the more number of signals are received by the user at a time. So because of other signals some fluctuation or else interference may get. So that is called as fading. We can say this, what are the effects in fading. So call may be dropped sometime because of this fading. Voice distortion will get, more distortion, low data rate and error rate, that is bit error rate, and quality is also very less from the video. So that is the effects of fading we need to reduce. Thank you.